So hello and welcome to a brand new video, and in this video today, as the title already says, we're going to be unboxing the brand new 13-inch iPad Pro with the M5 chip in it. This right here is an empty Apple bag because I've already taken it out of this bag, and these are the two things. So I do have the Magic Keyboard for the 13-inch iPad Pro M5. Also, the iPad is right here. You can also see it says iPad Pro here. It doesn't actually say it's the M5 because there's no mention of it here, but if you turn to the other side here, you can see the details, but I'm not going to show that now. So without any further ado, similar to every other Apple unboxing, let's just take the arrow right here off and do the unboxing. And just to mention, I'm upgrading from the 13-inch iPad Pro M1, which came out I think maybe 5 years ago, and I'm upgrading from that all the way to this M5 chip, which from my perspective at least, it was a much needed upgrade for me. But if you already have the M4, you don't necessarily need to upgrade it. So I had to take the lid off the camera because it was getting really hard for me to take that off from behind the camera. So let's use this to take the iPad out. And I tell you, oh my God, this is so thin and so lightweight. You can see it right here. I'm gonna keep this to the side for now. I just feel like, like I could basically snap that iPad in half. So here you get your booklets, and oh wow, you also get the charging wall outlet. This is something that you no longer get in phones. I'm glad that they still provide it in the iPads. And obviously USB-C to USB cable, which is in the black colorway. I don't know if it's because my iPad is black. If I were to get the silver, would this have been white? I don't know. But we don't want to see this, so let's keep this to the side. And we also have this designed by Apple in California. Not sure if you still get stickers with the iPad, with the phones, not anymore. And that's it. So this is basically a user manual. That's it. Nothing special, no stickers. We don't need to see this. It's basically an iPad, so we don't need to learn how to use it. So we can keep this to the side as well. Now coming to the main star of the show. Oh my God, this is so light. I don't know. I'm really scared. This is the, I think, silver. Oh no, it's not silver. Space gray, actually. Wow. This is really good. Just look at this. And I can already tell the front display is already covered in my fingerprints. Oh my God. Just look at how lovely this is, how beautiful this is. And yes, you can see me right there recording from my iPhone 17 Pro Max. I'm really keen to power this on, but before I power this on, I'm going to basically unbox the keyboard. Okay, so the keyboard is right here, and similar to every Apple product, similar to the iPad, we're gonna have to basically peel this arrow off. So we're gonna do it now, and then we're gonna have to do it once more here. And now that is done, we can hopefully take this out. Okay, it was much more easier than the iPad. Here you see, here's the case. This is the keyboard case, so this is really good. Expensive, I have to say, but really good. And this is what actually makes your iPad into somewhat of a MacBook, and you can keep this to the side. So here we basically, similar to the iPad, you take this off, and you're presented with your keyboard case right here with the Apple logo, camera cutouts. You also have your USB-C charging port right there, which charges the iPad. And you basically now have to take this out because there is a paper here. Okay. Gonna try this really hard. Okay, so you take this out, and that's where your iPad sticks, and it tilts as well. And here's your keyboard, and you can see full Mac keys and also a large enough trackpad. So if you do get an iPad and want to use this keyboard, I recommend you go for the 13-inch. If 13-inch is too big for you, definitely go for the 11-inch, but this would be something much better if you really want to use your iPad as your MacBook as well, because yes, it can be used that way. You may not get all the Mac functions or functionalities, but you'll get close enough. So now what do? We basically take the case right here and we put the iPad here. It should stick, and there you go. It has stuck, and it is a really strong magnet as well, because oh my God, I'm trying to apply so much force and it still won't come out. This is how it looks. I am recording from my phone, so I'm struggling to do this from the back, but you can see here, hopefully it attaches perfectly. It's not just because I'm holding it. I can let it go here as well, and this is looking perfect. And when you want to close it, just do this, and this is how it looks when it's all closed up with the iPad. And wow, this is like heavy duty. This is going to be really compact and lightweight than your MacBook, definitely, no denying that. And I really want to trial this out. Can this actually replace my 13-inch MacBook Pro or not? I have a feeling it will, but we'll see how that goes with time. Just look at this. This is currently at my home office desk, and it kind of looks like a laptop, to be honest, but obviously the one that you can detach from the keyboard, and also do a lot of heavy work on this as well, including video editing. Obviously, if you're doing movie grade video editing, then this might not be what you're looking for, but whether it be your professional work, school work, whatsoever, this is definitely going to be more than enough. Okay, so the unboxing of the iPad Pro 13-inch M5 has been done along with the Magic Keyboard. I'm basically now going to install all my apps, set everything up, and then I'm going to be using this as my primary laptop kind of thing. And then over the course of many weeks, I may or may not, maybe I will make some video about how my experience has been using this as my primary laptop kind of device, and we'll see. That's been it for this video. I'm basically just going to turn it on now and then going to set it up. So with that being said, I will end the video right here. We'll see you in the next one. Till then, peace.